Good day, everyone. My name is Ng Jijian, and I'm excited to present GreenSpinEats, an AI-powered food discovery and eco-friendly eating system for Malaysians, designed to bridge the gap between intelligent meal discovery, frictionless computer vision tracking, and ecological sustainability within our local culinary landscape. This project is guided by my supervisor, Associate Professor Dr. Gan Kian Hui. Nowadays, we have all been here staring at our phones, endlessly scrolling through delivery apps, completely paralyzed by choice. For busy professionals and university students in Malaysia, this daily decision fatigue is mentally exhausting and inevitably leads to impulsive, unhealthy eating habits. That is exactly why I developed GreenSpinEats. It is an intelligent ecosystem designed to completely eliminate this user friction. Our systems offloads the mental strains of meal selection by using a constraint-aware spin wheel to instantly filter safe, personalized local food options. To eliminate the tedious core of manual logging, our custom YOLO 11 set computer vision service replaces manual data entry. Just snap a photo, confirm the AI detection, and the system instantly calculates your exact nutritional and eco score breakdown. What exactly drove me to build this? We identified 4 massive roadblocks in how people manage their daily meals. First, decision fatigue. Static apps overwhelm us with endless lists. They do not adapt to real-time constraints like sudden allergies, religious diets, or simple indecision. Second, the actions disconnect. Once you actually decide what to eat, you are forced to jump between recipe apps, Google Maps, and delivery services. It is a highly fragmented workflow. Third, tracking frictions. Manually logging food is tedious and relies on guesswork. You are missing an automated visual tool to just snap a photo and instantly calculate precise macros. Finally, the sustainability blind spot. Consumers currently have no centralized way to track their nutritional balance right alongside the actual environmental footprint of their food. GreenSpinEats was built specifically to solve all 4 of these frustrations. Let's look at the system objective to see how. To directly tackle these problems, the system is designed around 4 core objectives. First, to combat choice fatigue by giving users a dynamic search and a preference-based spin wheel that filters meals based on their real-time dietary constraints. Second, to connect that choice directly to fulfillment. Whether you want to cook at home, order delivery, or navigate to a restaurant, the system route you there seamlessly. Third, to completely eliminate manual tracking frictions by utilizing a custom YOLO 11 set vision service for precise instant segmentations and automated pixel-to-mass nutritional estimations. Finally, to bring it all together by calculating your 7 days nutritional averages and daily calorie goals while simultaneously tracking the dynamic environmental footprint of every logged meal. Now, let's break down the system. GreenSpinEats is powered by 4 interconnected main modules. First is the food decision module. This is our core constraints-based discovery engine. It uses a content-based filtering engine and a gamified spin wheel to instantly generate safe, personalized meal suggestions based on the user's immediate cravings and strict dietary profiles. Second is the culinary action module. This bridges the gap between digital selections and physical consumptions. It dynamically routes users to third-party delivery apps, Google Maps for dining out, or uses the Gemini API to synthesize custom home cooking recipes as fallback if recipes for that dish is not found in local database. Next is the meal calorie recognition module. This is where we automate dietary tracking. It leverages a remote fast API server running YOLO 11 segmentation service to perform precise instant segmentations on food imagery, then estimating the meal's mass and macronutrients without manual data entry. And finally, the Eco and Health Insight module. This acts as the user central dashboards. It aggregates the historical meal data, calculates a rolling 7 days environmental eco score, and utilizes the generative AI as the virtual nutritionist to provide highly personalized behavioral insight. Now let us jump into our main systems, which is the mobile app built natively in Flutter. For the sake of time, I won't be showing the entire login and sign out flow. As a new user, our daily macro budgets here on the InSign tabs are completely fresh. Let's say we don't know what to eat. We will tap on Decide My Meal button to enter our decision hub. So as you can see, we offer 3 ways to beat decision fatigue. If you know what you want to eat, just select yes, I have food in mind and type in the food you desire. Our safety flow instantly cross-references your choice against the allergies and dietary restrictions you set during registrations, which can always be updated in your profile setting at any time. If you have absolutely no idea, hit totally no for random safe suggestions. But today, let's pick no, but I have preferences. This opens our constraints filter. Permanent dietary needs like halal automatically seen from your profile will now add some temporary cravings such as rice base and a flavor of spicy. Yeah, so once you click the generate options buttons, the engine generates a curated list. If you see a dish that you don't like, just deselect it. And then if you spot a wrong tag, you can directly flag it to our admins. And now we will approve this list and hit spin wheel buttons. And now the system select nasi lemak. Next, we bridge the gap between deciding and eating. The action tabs instantly give us 3 routes, which are home cook, delivery, and eat outside. Home cook pulls up the recipes. As you can see, this is the recipe result for nasi lemak, and ingredients and instructions are clearly shown in the recipes. And next will be the delivery. Delivery hands you off to the apps like GrabFoods or Foodpandas. And now since GrabFoods and Foodpandas are third-party service providers, so I can just deep link them via the URL. And for the eat outside route us via the Google Maps, and you can see the Google Maps shows the restaurants nearby that sells the nasi lemak. Now we move back to the action tabs, and once you have your food, just tap the direct lock to bypass the menu and launch our AI scan tracker. So let's say right before you eat, you capture a photo of your nasi lemak and then you upload that image. And now our YOLO 11 segmentation model will take over. Instead of relying on traditional bounding boxes that includes empty background space, it performs precise instance segmentations by generating pixel perfect mask for every single ingredient on the plate. The systems can calculate the exact area and mass of the food, which standard bounding boxes simply cannot do. If the AI misses some food component in the dish, you can simply use the pin missing and drop a dot and then type the name. And the apps send those coordinates with the image to our admin dashboards to retrain the model later. So everything looks good here. So we hit the confirm analysis. And then now we are at the meal summary. Thanks to the component level detections, we get the precise macros and the total echo score. So I want to highlight how we handle edge cases here. If certain food items lacks the nutritional data, it doesn't break the apps. The backend will simply flag it as the pending analysis, letting you move on while admins verify it quietly in the background. So now I tap on the log meal to save it as a meal log. Yeah, so here we collect contextual data like budget, rating, meal type, and this name has been automatically added here because our target dish just now is nasi lemak. So if you select it outside, a location bar pops up, so you can tag the exact restaurant. Let's say now I ate this nasi lemak in Supabase, so I just type in Supabase and then choose this result. Yeah. So after that, I hit confirm, and we are back at the inside dashboard and instantly updated. At the top, our virtual nutritionist gives personalized feedback based on that nasi lemak. Below, you can see that the log meal with its calories and the echo score. Tapping it opens the complete records, and you can see the summaries that shows your macros, and the ingredients tabs shows the transparent log of AI confirmed weight for every component. And finally, the details tab gives the user full control to edit their context or delete the entire log. And that's the complete flow from indecisions to advanced AI tracking to actionable insight. Now let's switch over to the web-based admin panel. We start on our admin dashboard, which gives us a real-time overview of our total database, product, active users, and the current AI review workload. Then the core of our human-in-the-loop architecture is the ground truth audit. In the high priority queue, we handle active user diaries. If a log meal is missing nutritional data, whether it's a new ingredients the AI found or a wrong label that the user manually corrected, it lands right here. And the admin simply verifies or fetches the missing nutritional data, and the system instantly recalculates the macro and pushes them directly back to the user apps. So now let's say anchovies, admins match the nutritional data back, update back to the user apps there. And then for the low priority queue, it's strictly for AI training. Remember, just now I've mentioned that when we drop a pin on a missing item in the mobile apps, those cases are routed here. For this, the admin uses the segment ending model to interactively mask that specific missing items based on the user pin. We verify the label and save the mask image directly into our database to continuously retrain and improve our YOLO model in the future. So now let's say I agree, I verify that the user manually label dots is tofu, and then I mask this tofu. And then after that, I just have to click on this quality tag. Since this image is so clear, so I just click on go, which means that this image is a high quality image to be used for future training. And then I just click on verify and save to database, and this image with the mask and the label will be saved to the database for future training. So next, we will move on to the report. We close the loop with our report module. This as our quality assurance layer. If a user flags a discrepancy, whether it's an incorrect dietary tag from our decision hub or a conflict in the nutritional values, admin can audit the specific meal data here. By resolving these reports, we manually verify our library, ensuring that system's reliability remain high and that our database grow more accurate through direct user-led feedback. And then finally would be the food database. All of these calculations relies on the journal database. So admin have full controls to manually adjust any ingredients. To scale effectively, we have a button for fetching the nutritional data. System instantly auto populates the exact macronutrients and the density coefficients, completely eliminating the tedious data entries. And then this completes the whole ecosystems. Now let's look into the system architecture. The admin website and mobile applications are built using Flutter and pairs with a Supabase backend for real-time data. The YOLO vision model runs on a dedicated fast API server, while external APIs seamlessly handle the generative recipes, nutritional data, and instant app routing. Ultimately, this translates into 4 massive benefits for the users. It completely wipes out their mealtime decision fatigue and seamlessly connects the dots between choosing a meal and actually getting it. On top of that, the apps makes the AI nutrition tracking completely effortless for them while building real environmental awareness by putting a carbon footprint tracker right in their pockets. From a business perspective, the system is highly scalable with multiple revenue streams. The platform can generate affiliate commissions by routing users to delivery apps and offer sponsor priority spin wheel slots for certified eco-friendly vendors. On the enterprise side, the system has huge potential to monetize anonymized dietary trends for food brands or even provide B2B licensing for corporate ESG reporting. To bring this to market, the platform uses a simple freemium model. The free plan covers standard filtering and limited AI scans. For just 10 ringgit a month, users can upgrade to premium for unlimited YOLO tracking, hyper-personalized filtering, and exclusive vendor discounts. There is also a custom enterprise plan available, which includes bulk licensing and dedicated ESG dashboards for corporate wellness clients. And that concludes the presentations for GreenSpinEats. Thank you so much for your time.